know me, think it's time to wake 'em up.